demand quality and high performance, the Pursuit goes above and beyond. This fast, agile, stable race boat will fulfill all your racing needs. The hull construction is hand-laid fiberglass, which is topped with a beautiful seamless yellow gel coat. All the vinyls are added to the boat from the factory to ensure a flawless-looking boat. When it comes to speed and performance, AZ knows how to do it right. The Pursuit will turn heads and leave everyone wanting more, except the competition. The hull is 32 inches from beam to tip of the nose, and the beam is 9 inches across. The hardware on this boat is truly a work of art. With 4 fully adjustable trim tabs, a CNC adjustable stinger strut, breakaway skid fins and rudder, and behind it all, a 43mm beryllium balanced, sharpened, and polished prop. It's no secret that A&Z uses quality performance parts. One look inside the Pursuit and you will agree. This boat is equipped with a 36-74mm XL brushless motor that has a built-in water cooling jacket. The astonishing 2075 kV motor propels this boat to speeds over 45 miles an hour. The machine anodized motor mount is water cooled for ultimate performance. A programmable 3 to 6 cell 125 amp ESC is waterproof and can handle powerful motors. It also has a built-in aluminum water jacket, along with a low voltage cut so you never damage your LiPo batteries. Batteries, servo, and receiver mounts are all factory installed and provide easy access to all electronics. With all these features, combined with innovative precision engineering, your Pursuit will be able to conquer any race conditions. Get yours today from ANZRacing.com.